So today was a pretty light day. I was working on First Kiss, and the only thing was on the agenda for today was to go ahead and start doing the front end for these mockups. So for the login mockup in the login mockup, or the register mockup, go ahead and create the pages in codes on the front end code. These are the screenshots for what I actually came up with, and they match pretty close. One thing that I couldn't get was the colors like directly, but they're pretty similar, so I might just keep it the way it is. I'm not that familiar with how Tailwind works with custom colors, so that may be one thing that I look into. Maybe another time, probably not anytime soon, just because these colors definitely they're close enough, if not the same. And I think that was all the issues that I ran into for this. We have, so for the code, I was using WebStorm. This is the registration page. One thing that I was having trouble with was the folder structure for my React project. And so I looked up, thanks to ChatGTP, and then also asking mentors about folder structure. I came up with this folder structure, or I got this folder structure. So we got pages, routes, styles there, components and assets. I guess my big question was, for me, was how do I organize my routes? And so I was able to use a route directory and have this route component, and this just keeps all my route configurations here and keeps things kind of neat. So that way, this app component isn't full of routes. I kind of got it separated here. What else did I work on? I added Tailwind, and I also added Daisy UI for some components. The login page. And I think that's pretty much it. I hooked up this API here. The API I'd already done on the front end. On the back end, I already built those out. So I just plugged that into there as a post request. And that is getting the first name, last name user. This is for registration. I think that is it for that. My next steps, though. So we have login, registration. So my next step will probably be on the back end. For the back end, I need to create the API so that I can actually log in a user. And I think that would be that. I might have to look into like JWTs, just because using cookies would probably be a bit difficult. Using session IDs would be a bit difficult, being that the front end and the back end are on both two different domains. One's on port 8000, other one's on whatever 5173 or something like that. So that's something to be aware of. But other than that, that's where I'm at right now. I need to go ahead and create the APIs so this login can actually log in a user.